Ever wonder why your plant cuttings aren't growing as well as they should? Well, you might be making one of these common mistakes. Stick around, and I'll show you how to avoid them for thriving, happy plants. Hi everyone, welcome to the Houseplantslove. Today I'm sharing the most common mistakes people make while water propagating cuttings. Avoid these and you'll have more success with your plant babies. If you enjoy propagating plants, check out my other videos on propagation, links in the description below. Before we dive in, please subscribe our channel if haven't and to join our growing green community. First is not changing the water. Don't forget to change the water regularly, every few days or at least once a week. Water loses oxygen over time, which is essential for your cuttings. Replacing the water refreshes the oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide, keeping your cuttings happy. If you're enjoying the videos so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Next is so many leaves in cutting. Avoid so much leaves in the water as they can rot. Only 1 or 2 leaves and a node are needed for rooting. For cutting with a crown or joint, make sure the cutting is not so many joints, which cause the issue to rot. You can also check out our previous video on the top 20 indoor plants you can propagate in water, link in I button and end of the video. Next is, be mindful of your water level. Ensure water covers the plant cuttings nodes in the propagation jar. Keep water level low to prevent rotting, promoting root growth. Next is, keep an eye out for mosquito larvae in the water. Regularly change the water and wash the roots to prevent larvae from hiding and breeding. Mosquitoes can spread diseases like dengue and malaria, so it's important to keep things clean. Mistake 5. Poor light conditions. You know, cuttings need adequate light to grow, but it's important to avoid harsh direct light. Instead, place them in bright indirect light. Move plants from a dark windowsill to a brighter spot and you will see immediate improvements. Mistake 6. Water propagating plants that thrive in soil. Some plants root better in soil than in water. For example, plants like red ruby Alton and begonia venosa do better in soil. Water roots and soil roots are different, and transitioning from water to soil can be tough. Take a moment to check how your plant is doing. Does it thrive better in water or soil? Mistake 7. Forgetting to dry out before water propagation like succulents. For succulent cuttings like Sansevieria, let the cut end dry before placing it in water. This means letting it dry out in a warm, indirect light place for a few days to prevent rot. You can also check out our previous video about succulent care tips and tricks. You can find the link in I button and end of the video. Mistake 8. Roots too long or too short. Be patient with root growth. Remove cuttings from water when roots are about an inch long. Don't pull them out too soon or leave them too long, as both can impact the success of your plant. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay green.